In the rapidly evolving landscape of UAE's construction industry, building information modeling BIM services have emerged as a game-changing technology, revolutionizing project delivery and operational efficiency. At the forefront of this transformation is Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a pioneering firm that's setting new standards in construction excellence through innovative BIM solutions. BIM services offer a comprehensive 3D model-based process that provides architecture, engineering, and construction professionals with the insights and tools to plan, design, construct, and manage buildings and infrastructure more efficiently. In the UAE, where architectural marvels and ambitious construction projects are the norm, BIM has become an indispensable asset. It enables stakeholders to visualize projects in intricate detail before ground is even broken, significantly reducing errors, minimizing costs, and optimizing timelines. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd brings a wealth of expertise to the UAE market, offering cutting-edge BIM services that cater to the unique demands of the region's construction sector. Their advanced modeling techniques allow for precise clash detection, ensuring that potential issues are identified and resolved in the virtual environment long before they become costly problems on site. This proactive approach not only saves time and resources but also enhances the overall quality of construction projects. One of the key advantages of utilizing BIM services in UAE construction projects is the improved collaboration it fosters among various stakeholders. Architects, engineers, contractors, and clients can all access and interact with the same 3D model, facilitating better communication and decision-making throughout the project life cycle. This collaborative environment leads to fewer misunderstandings, reduced rework, and ultimately, more successful project outcomes. Moreover, BIM's capability to simulate various scenarios and perform energy analyses is particularly valuable in the UAE, where sustainability is increasingly becoming a priority. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd leverages these features to help clients optimize their buildings for energy efficiency, aligning with the UAE's vision for sustainable development and green building practices. The integration of BIM with other advanced technologies like IoT Internet of Things and AI artificial intelligence is opening up new possibilities in smart building management. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is at the cutting edge of this